Hey Candy Squad, it's Ella, and I'm back to some more Roblox, and today I will be aging up a neon black mummy cat to its full max to make a neon. And before we start, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell button so that you can be informed when I make a new video. And also, the reason why I look like a noob is because I got kicked out of my other account because this idiot kept on reporting me. So yeah, so that's why my house is so tiny. So I'll do a little bit of a house tour because yeah. Okay. Okay, why is my screen? Okay, my screen's back to normal. Ooh, a taxi. Can I offer for the taxi, please? Please. Oh yeah, and by the way, the taxi gets you around to places. Oh my god, I don't want that. I do not want that. Are they actually gonna do this? Do you guys think that this is a good trade? Nope, it's not a good trade anymore. Decline. Okay, let's go to the house and do the house tour. Oh, it's already shower time, so perfect timing. And I will get back onto my regular account in an hour. So I will be filming on my regular account in no time. Okay. Where is my house? Is it? I'm pretty sure it's over here. Yep, I went completely the wrong way. Okay. Here's my house. It's so tiny. I wish that I had a different house. Okay. Let's get my Halloween black mummy cat out. Again, I named it Hello. Okay, so this is my little bathroom. It's so tiny. This is my little bedroom, and then the area. Okay, we are teleporting to the gifts. Okay. Let's go in to the school now. Okay, we're just waiting till we teleport into the school. Okay, we're here. Yeah, my inventory is super bad on this account. Please help me. Please help me. Okay, guys, the person who's saying hello, Candy Squad members, that's my best friend, Gabby. And, yeah. And, yeah, she is just in Adopt Me. Doing some tasks. No fair! Someone has a neon frost fury. Bruh. Okay. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my new logo. It's not Godiva anymore. It is now my Candy Squad logo, which will be there for a long time. So, yeah. And if you like watching these contents, be sure to hit those notification buttons so that you can be informed when I make a new video so that you don't miss out. And the next video, I might be doing a giveaway. Not this video because I have nothing, literally nothing in this account. Oh, I have one of those on my alt account, but it's neon. And I have 3. Oh, I got a trade request. Nice. What do they want? an ox or something. I'm sorry, person. I don't have much. I can't wait for my account to be back, and hopefully my login day streak is still there because I'm almost at 100 login day streak. And then I would have to start all over. And then I would have to start all over with my star rewards if it resetted. So that would be bad. Because I am so close to my golden egg. Like literally, I'm super duper close. Look, I need 660 to have a golden egg. And I'm only login day streak 3. Lol. So, yeah. I don't log on to this account a lot. Let's go check what tasks do we have. Feed your pet a potion. Since I'm on my alt account and I have no Robux on this account, I can't exactly get a potion. So, yeah. Oh, Gabby teleported to me. What's up? So apparently it's a task of Gabby's. What 'tis she doing? Oh, she's giving me a Kieran. Oh, and it's for free? But don't worry, fellow Candy Squad members, because I am the Candy Squad queen, I don't take items from anybody else, so I will gladly give it back to her. Even though she gave it to me, I'm still going to give it back to her because I, the Candy Squad queen, would never keep someone else's pet unless it was fair. Which this one is not fair. Ooh, someone's got a crab. Can I offer for the crab, please? Trading ride ladybug. I don't have... I'll trade you an ox. A crab. I'll trade you an ox. Oh, they declined. Whatever. Okay, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to end this video after this task. Well, guys, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.